Crash Course on Panama, Colonial History. Panama's colonial history is a fascinating journey that encompasses the Spanish conquest and the enduring legacy of colonial architecture, art, and traditions. Let's delve into the rich history of Panama's colonial era, share intriguing stories and examples, and then explore the top 12 attractions that showcase Panama's colonial heritage. Colonial history of Panama. Panama's history took a significant turn with the arrival of the Spanish conquistadors in the early 16th century. They established Panama City, the first European settlement on the Pacific coast of the Americas. The city became a crucial hub for trade and the gateway for transporting vast amounts of gold and silver from South America to Europe. The Spanish influence left an indelible mark on Panama's culture, architecture, and traditions. Interesting stories, examples. 1. Casco Viejo. Explore Casco Viejo, Panama City's historic district, which showcases the colonial charm and architectural grandeur of the past. Wander through its narrow streets lined with colorful buildings, visit historic churches, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. 2. Panama Viejo. Discover the ruins of Panama Viejo, the original Panama City founded by the Spanish. Walk among the remnants of ancient structures and imagine the bustling port city that once thrived. Top 12 attractions of Panama colonial history. 1. Casco Viejo. Stroll through the narrow streets of Casco Viejo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and marvel at the well-preserved colonial architecture. 2. Panama Viejo. Explore the archaeological site of Panama Viejo, the ruins of the original Panama City, and gain insights into its colonial past. 3. San Jose Church. Visit San Jose Church, an iconic symbol of Panama's colonial heritage. Admire its Baroque architecture and learn about its historical significance. 4. National Theater. Step inside the National Theater of Panama, a majestic colonial-era theater adorned with exquisite details and hosting cultural performances. 5. Presidential Palace. Witness the grandeur of the Presidential Palace, known as Palacio de las Garzas, where Panama's presidents reside. Marvel at its colonial-style architecture and explore the nearby Plaza de la Independencia. 6. Museum of Colonial Religious Art. Immerse yourself in the Museum of Colonial Religious Art in Panama City, which showcases religious artifacts and art from the colonial period. 7. Church of San Francisco. Visit the Church of San Francisco, a prominent colonial church with a rich history and stunning architectural features. 8. Portobello. Explore the historic town of Portobello, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Learn about its role as a key port during the colonial era and marvel at the preserved fortifications. 9. Fort San Lorenzo. Journey to Fort San Lorenzo, a colonial-era fortress located at the mouth of the Chagres River. Enjoy panoramic views and delve into the history of its strategic importance. 10. Iglesia de San Jose in Portobello. Admire the famous Iglesia de San Jose in Portobello, known for its Black Christ statue and the captivating stories associated with it. 11. Gatun Locks. Visit the Gatun Locks, part of the Panama Canal, and witness the engineering marvel that transformed global trade routes during the colonial era. 12. Panama Canal Museum. Explore the Panama Canal Museum in Panama City, which provides insights into the history, construction, and impact of the Panama Canal. Summary. Panama's colonial history has shaped its culture, architecture, and traditions. From the charming streets of Casco Viejo to the ancient ruins of Panama Viejo, the colonial heritage of Panama is preserved and celebrated. By visiting the top attractions showcasing Panama's colonial history, you can immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of the past and gain a deeper appreciation for the country's cultural roots. Poem. In Panama's embrace, a tale unfolds. Of conquest and colonies, stories of old. Spanish ships sailed, a brave new world to find. Colonial splendor, the past intertwined. Casco Viejo streets, alive with color and grace. Whispering stories of a bygone embrace. Panama Viejo's ruins, a silent testament to the city's beginnings, where history was sent. San Jose Church, a symbol of devotion, preserves the past with sacred emotion. The National Theater, a grand colonial stage, where culture and art continue to engage. Presidential Palace, a seat of power and might, stands tall, bathed in history's light. Museums and churches, relics of the past. Colonial art and artifacts that forever last. Portobella's charm, a UNESCO delight. Fortifications guarding treasures out of sight. Iglesia de San Jose, with its Black Christ shrine. A symbol of faith, with stories so divine. Gatun Locks stand, a testament to the bold. Connecting oceans, as trade unfolds. Panama Canal Museum, a window to explore. The impact of the canal, forevermore. Panama's colonial heritage, alive in every trace. A journey through time, a cultural embrace. Immerse in history's embrace, let your curiosity unfurl. And discover Panama's colonial wonders, a captivating world. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.